Magandang araw ulit mga bayang classmates. Ellis Chase pong muli para magbigay ng aking karera tips. October 12, 2024, araw tayo ng Sabado. Pagdiriwang to ng 23rd Club Don Juan de Manila Racing Festival hanggang sa Sunday. Meron tayo 10 races. At ang start time natin para sa araw ng Sabado, 2 p.m. Bago tayo mag-start, shoutout ko lang Sir Donald Doria at shoutout doon kay Liam Dian Fia. At shoutout din natin Sir Joel Bandolin, Senaida Lopez at Berhilio Santos Jr. Game race number 1 tayo. Start ng ating winner take all. First winner take all po ito. Nolan Racing Trophy Race. 1-4 ang distansya. Mahirap na karera agad. Dito ako numero 7. Golden Area with John Alvin Guse. Panigundo ko yung numero 8. Professor Jones at 8A Within Reach with J.B. Hernandez at Michael De Jesus. Third choice ko rito yung 13 Go Uste with C. Benson. 7, 8, 13. Race number 2 naman po tayo pag-uumpisa ng first pick 6 Silver Bullet Production Corp Trophy Race. 1-4 ang distansya dito. First race ko yung 1, nagbabalik. Top Star with C. Benson. Panigundo ko yung 6 na si C. Rice with O'Neil Cortez. 1 at 6. Race number 3 naman po tayo. Start naman to ng first pick 5. Engineer Pelizardo John Sevilla Jr. Trophy Race. 1-4 pa rin ang distansya. Dito ako sa 2-1, Aphrodite at Bantay Sarado with JM Storke at AR Villegas. Panigundo ko rito yung 12 La Republica with Pabs M. Cabalejo. 1-12, race 3. Race number 4, pangalawang winner take all naman to. Kenmore Lodge Trophy Race. Dito naman, primero ko numero 2, Wild is the Wind with Pau Pau Guse. Second choice ko yung 8 American Paria with Apprentice GL Shego Jr. 2 at 8, race number 4. Race number 5, ito naman, start ng ating second pick 6, Napoleon M. Magno Trophy Race. 1400 meters. Dito, pamprimero ko yung 2, Caraga Wonder at Nosen Yang Yana with C. Benson at J.B. Hernandez. Pakarera pala nila to, no? Nap Magno Trophy Race. At siya rin ang aking first choice. Panigundo ko yung 1, Coldplay with Mark Alvarez. 2-1 para sa race number 5. Race number 6 na tayo. Ito, second pick 5, Ira Herrera Tribute Race. 1400 meters pa rin to. Pamprimero ko yung 2-6, Doms at 7 at Work From Home with RC Baldonido at Pau Pau Gose. Second choice ko naman dito yung numero 3 na si Queen Gabi with Michael De Jesus. 6-3, race number 6. Race number 7, start nating pick 4. FR Sevilla Industrial and Development Corp Trophy Race. Dito naman, pamprimero natin, numero 8 Queensland with Patty Dilemma. Panigundo ko yung 5 Lucky 222 with John Alvin Guse. 8 at 5, race 7. Race number 8 na tayo, huling DD1 Manila Horsepower Trophy Race. Pamprimera ko, numero 1 Princess Serena with Charles Reyes. At panigundo ko yung 5 Express Lane with JD King Flores. 1-5 para sa race 8. Race number 9 naman po tayo, penultimate race. Kong Tony Calixto Trophy Race. Pamprimera ko rito yung 4 Baling Rikit with Apprentice Edgy Guerra. Then second choice ko yung 3 na Dolia Rama with GL Shego Jr. 4-3 race 9. Race number 10, huling karera natin, araw ng Sabado, Concrete Solution Trophy Race. Dito naman, pamprimera ko, numero 3, Step Bell with John Alvin Guse. Panigundo ko rito, Another Bell, number 2, Watch Bell with JB Hernandez. 3-2 ako rito, race number 10, so good luck po, Upper Racing, God bless.